In this video, I will show you how you can use Chrome extensions on your iPad Air. Now, if you want to use Google Chrome extensions on Google Chrome on your iPad, now you cannot directly do that since the Google Chrome available on your iPad is not the desktop version. But there is a way to use Google Chrome extensions on your iPad. For that, just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this browser on your iPad. Once the browser is fully installed, then just tap on Open. Now to use Chrome extensions on your iPad, just tap on Activate Now. But for an example, let's say if you have skipped this step. Now to enable Chrome extensions on your iPad, just tap on the three dots over here and select Settings. From this menu, just scroll down and tap on Advanced. Now from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Chrome extensions. Now if you also want to use Firefox extensions, just enable this toggle. And after you've done that, then just tap on Done. Now to use Google Chrome extensions, in the search bar of the Orion browser, just search this. Now just tap on Enter and select Yes. And from here, just select the search engine for your iPad. For now, I will select Google. Then just select I'm not a robot. Now just complete this verification process. Then open the Chrome Web Store. And from here, just install the extensions which you want to use on your iPad. But keep in mind that you will only be able to use these Chrome extensions on the Orion browser. Now just tap on Extensions and search the extension which you want to use. For an example, I will install this extension. Just tap on Add to Orion and you will add the selected extension to your browser. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.